Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to supercharge your cold email outreach and boost your sales, today's video is for you. We're diving into Mystrika, an AI-powered platform designed to automate and optimize your email campaigns. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. Let's explore how this tool can revolutionize your sales strategy. What is Mystrika? Mystrika is an AI-driven sales acceleration platform that streamlines your cold email outreach. It offers features like automated email warm-ups, personalized outreach, and detailed analytics to help you connect with prospects more effectively and efficiently. Let's delve into some of Mystrika's standout features. AI-powered email warm-up. Build your sender reputation to ensure your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders. Unlimited sending email addresses. No restrictions on the number of email addresses you can use. A/B testing with 26 variations. Optimize your campaigns by testing different email versions. Spintax and dynamic variables. Personalize your emails at scale to increase engagement. Unibox, manage all your email replies in one centralized inbox. Detailed tracking, monitor opens, reads, and clicks to gauge campaign performance. Daily reputation monitoring, keep an eye on your sender reputation to maintain high deliverability rates. Pricing and deal. Mystrika is currently available on AppSumo with a lifetime deal. Each plan comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, giving you ample time to test the platform. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive feature set for cold email outreach. Lifetime access with a one-time payment. Scalable plans to suit different business needs. Cons: the 100 emails per email ID per day limit might be restrictive for high-volume senders. Some users may require time to familiarize themselves with all features. Mystrika is a robust tool for anyone looking to enhance their cold email campaigns. Its AI-driven features and lifetime deal make it a valuable asset for marketers, freelancers, and sales teams aiming to improve their outreach efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the latest digital tools.